So what's up guys, welcome back to the channel. So guys, in this short video I'm going to show you how to fix iPhone showing battery unknown part even iPhone battery is genuine. So if you also facing this kind of issue on your iPhone, in this video I will show you how to fix that. Firstly, you need to close that tab, okay, on iPhone setting. You need to tap on that, okay. After that you need to scroll down, tap on general, okay. Now you can see appears on screen software update section. Tap on that, okay. Make sure you don't have any software pending in your iPhone. If you have any pending iOS update in your iPhone, just update your iPhone to the latest iOS, okay. If that method not working for you, then move to the next solution. The next solution is forced to restart your iPhone. Press volume up button, then press volume down button, and press the power button until you see the Apple logo appears on your iPhone screen and your iPhone is forced to restart, okay. If that method not working, then move to the next solution. The next solution is also open iPhone settings. In settings section you need to scroll down, tap on battery, okay. You can see appears on screen battery charging, okay. Just tap on battery charging and you can see appears on screen here are showing clean energy charging and optimize. Two options showing here. Just turn it on, both of that option, okay. If that method is also not working and you're still facing that kind of issue on your iPhone, then move to the next solution. The next solution is open iPhone setting. In settings section you need to tap on general. After tapping the general you need to scroll down and tap on transfer or reset iPhone, okay. You can see appears on screen reset. In the top you can see reset all settings. Just apply all settings, reset on your iPhone, okay. So friends, by do 2 to 3 simple steps you can easily fix that your iPhone battery showing unknown part error and its maximum capacity also not showing. Hope this video is helpful for you. Make sure you don't have any hardware issue in your iPhone battery. If you have any hardware issue and your iPhone battery is replaced, just connect the nearest Apple store. They will fix that issue. So friends, after watching this video, I hope you will all know how to fix that kind of issue on your iPhone.